It is the peak of the annual Perseid meteor shower. And joining us now in Montreal, Andrew Fazekas, the night sky guy and an astronomy expert with National Geographic. Great to see you, Andrew.
Hi, Brad.
Talk to us about what we're likely to see tonight. I'm hearing like 100 shooting stars an hour.
That's right. So what we're in for is what I like to call is the cosmic old faithful, because it's such a reliable celestial show that comes around every mid-August when Earth slams into a cloud of debris that's left behind by a comet called Comet Swift-Tuttle. And what happens is that Earth's orbit and the comet's orbit cross. And it happens mid-August, between August 11th and the 13th. And when that happens, we just plow into the stream of particles. Most of them are about the size of a grain of sand. Some of them are as big as a grapefruit or a basketball, but most are sand grain size. And when that happens, these particles stream through our upper atmosphere and burn up, and we call those shooting stars. And we can see upwards of 60 to 100 shooting stars from tonight into early Tuesday morning before dawn, local dawn. You'll see in a dark site away from city lights that number. Now those numbers will go down if you're stuck in the city, like in a suburb, in your backyard. You'll probably see 15 to 20 shooting stars per hour, but that's still a great show.
Got a question about the name. It's known as the Perseid meteor shower, but you're saying it's going through remnants of the Swift-Tuttle. Why isn't it known as the Swift-Tuttle meteor shower?
Well, all showers, meteor showers, the major ones, get their names from the constellation, the part of the sky they appear to radiate out from. So if you watch the meteors tonight or the next few nights, notice that you can sort of trace back each and every streak of light to one little portion of the sky in the northeast. And that is occupied by the constellation Perseus. And so that's where they get their name Perseids. And it's the same for all the other showers, like the Leonids come from Leo, Geminids from Gemini, and so on.
Oh, good. Okay, good little primer there. Well, let's wrap up with news that Moon and Mars apparently not enough excitement for NASA scientists. Andrew, we're learning those scientists are now pondering a life-seeking mission much farther out.
That's right. This is a very exciting thing, I think, from the realm of science fiction almost, and even movie producers are making movies now of Europa, one of the moons of Jupiter, as being an exciting spot to look for life, to seek out life. And sure enough, NASA is now drawing up plans to make a lander, maybe something to launch in about 10 years. They're sort of laying the foundation of what kind of science that we want to do and how we want to seek for life. Because Europa is probably even a better place to look for life than Mars, because they think there's a salty ocean beneath a layer of ice. And so it's a warm place underneath. There's a lot of push and pull that it gets from the gravity of Jupiter that makes it very warm in the interior of Io. And this is a moon that we think may hold life. And it's very exciting, and NASA hopes to launch maybe a lander in about a decade's time there.
A decade time, wow. Well, thank you very much for bringing life to our morning. Andrew Fazekas, the night sky guy, astronomy expert with National Geographic. Always a pleasure, my friend. Have a great weekend and a great week ahead.